Hello, it's Spy Master Sly, back with a quick trick from the spice trade, this time about a free editing software and a cool new way to make content creation easy. We're going to be talking about a free editing software called DaVinci Resolve that allows us to edit videos for pretty much anything, and it's what I use to edit all my roleplay videos, and especially my TikToks. But sometimes making a TikTok can be really tedious, and recently, someone sent me an awesome way to make things just so much better for those of us with a very busy schedule. I visited Patrick Stirling's YouTube channel, and he has a lot of videos about DaVinci Resolve and editing. And today, we're going to talk about his master list of awesome DaVinci presets. You can check out that video here, or I'll add it in the description down below. His presets can help us create videos in seconds and spend less time editing and more time creating awesome, meaningful content. So he has a master list here, and specifically, we're going to talk about the TikTok videos. So that's this video here. I'll also include this one in the description. It's super easy, and I'm going to show you how to do this today. First, we need to install DaVinci Resolve on our PC. And all we need to do is head to the website, click the Download Now button, run the installer. Pretty standard. I'm a huge fan of DaVinci. No training wheels necessary. The layout is super easy to get used to. I'll show you what mine looks like. It's right now, there's nothing here. My timeline is empty, but you can customize your layout, add sections that you'd like when editing. Very simple to work with. That's why I love it. Next, we need to get our TikTok preset. And as I mentioned earlier, it's super simple. We're going to grab it from his website, from his video. He's got a little free preset download. And I click that button, and it brings me to this website here. You'll see easiest gaming TikToks. Get this. So I'm going to press get this. $0. It's free. And I'm going to press pay. And then simple, press the download button, just as we did before. And I'm going to click on my little download. You can see it pop up here. Click on it. It's going to open up directly in DaVinci Resolve. It says install TikTok preset. I'm going to click install. Oh, hey, look, it shows up directly in my effects. That's perfect. So let's test this out, shall we? I'm going to drag in a random clip from my stream, and we'll see how this preset works. Let me take one of these. What do I have? Okay, this one will work. This is from my Dragon Age Inquisition stream recently. You can see that I've dragged it directly into the timeline. Now you can add it to your media pool. You can go through file, add to, add, etc. But I just think this is the easiest, most efficient way to do it. So I add it directly into my timeline. Fantastic. My video is here, although it's not ready to go. Why? Because this does not look like it's gonna work for TikTok. So what we're going to do, we're going to go back into that effects section. We're going to go into the TikTok preset. We're going to click and drag directly onto the video. Aha! Now we are almost TikTok ready. I have a problem. I have two big black bars on the side of my video. Now for me to fix that, all I need to do is adjust the resolution. Right now it's setting as a horizontal resolution. We're going to fix that to be vertically correct. So we're going to go into File, Project Settings, go to Timeline Resolution. You can see 4 underneath. We're going to change that to 1080 to 1920 processing and press save. And voila, my video is ready. What's really cool about this TikTok preset is if you go into the effects on the side here, you can actually adjust a whole bunch of stuff. Right now you can see the camera part is focused on a particular area. We're going to adjust that so that you can see my face. Perfect. Now, I think it's a little bit small, so I want to adjust the camera size as well. And I would like there to be rounded corners. And now I can also change the position of the footage. I can adjust the footage size if I wanted to, and I can adjust the camera position. Maybe I want it over to the side. Perfect. I can also, if you have a full body, you wanted to include full body, or just your face, you can adjust that there too, which is so awesome. What a great little customizable preset. Now all I need to do is add some text, a few weird zooms, some big flashing boom, 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 maybe some music. Who knows what I'm going to do, and it'll be ready to upload to TikTok. Big thanks to Patrick Stirling and his channel for providing such awesome presets and great DaVinci Resolve videos. I hope that this makes TikTok creation and editing a lot faster and smoother for all of those who are working hard out there. I'll see you all at the Academy. Spy Master, out.